Hello guys, so welcome again for another episode. So for today's vlog, because someone sent their product here, okay, it's called Lauren Sweets, okay, because he was happy when I do laser for him, so this is a treat, okay. So Lauren, it's a sweets. So this is the name of the establishment, Lauren Sweets. Okay. And then they have also this one, the contact number. Okay guys, I just want to thank Sir Hamad Alhanaya for sending this product, okay? So he's the owner of this one, okay? Lauren Sweets. So let's open. Okay, and then chocolate is happiness. Hello. So this what's inside. I'll show you. So this what's inside. As he said here, chocolate happiness. Hello. So this one. Okay. So thank you to Sir Hamad for sending this one. So if you want to visit the store, this is the contact number. If you want to contact them, this is the store. Lauren 0552, Lauren for cakes, and then these are all the numbers. If you want to order, just contact this one. I will also distribute this one to my coworkers for them to taste also, okay? But from what I see, it's very delicious. Because see, I already gave some and they said it's very delicious. So I said to them, visit your establishment so that they can see or buy what they want. Okay, so sir, thank you again, Sir Hamad, thank you again. Okay. Very delicious.